Alright, let's see what else we got in this box. Ah, I remember already what it was. Memory comes back quickly when I see the packaging. Original aftermarket parts, not original Harley stuff. But what you get. So this is a timken conversion star hub. Chrome plated version, not black like I like. If you're building yourself a rider bike that you actually want to put miles on it, you don't want to deal with the star hub guts having to be lubed every 1,000 miles. Nobody takes their wheels apart and lubes them every 1,000 miles. I think that's what it says in the book, as I recall. So this here looks like a star hub wheel, fits like a star hub wheel, but takes Timken bearings. So these are just replaceable Timkens like out of a set of, well, no, they're not the same. These are not the same as the late block, but you can get these auto parts store. The seals can get at auto parts store too. I bought them from Napa before to get them. So anyway, nice little deal. The only thing you gotta remember about this is you cannot use a Harley axle because the Timken bearing sits on the Harley axle that is undercut on the Harley axle. But every aftermarket axle ever purchased, except for Taiwan Teddy repop stuff, has the axle straight cut all the way across, and that means the bearings work. So as long as you just got 2 steps in your axle, you don't have a triple step down in the middle, you're golden. Other than that, the stock replacement, they go right in, they fit good. The stock sleeve goes right inside the seal here, and they just work like stock. They look good, and they work good. So there you go. One of those deals, all cosmetic, and only reason it's made this way. Strictly cosmetic. But it works good. There you go. Timken Star Hub. They're still available. I just don't like chrome. That's what they make black paint for. Or you take apart and powder coat them. I do that a lot too. Make sure you take out all the bearings though before you do it. Alright, there you go.